So in this problem that I have said, a homogeneous ladder of length 6 meter having possessing a self weight of 400 Newton is placed over a smooth vertical wall. So from the word smooth vertical wall means there is the frictional force acting at this point Fa is going to be 0. Fa is equal to 0, and when the Fa is going to be 0 means that is mu A is equal to 0. And then there will be only a normal will tends to act over it. This problem is said that one of the wall or one of the surface is going to be smooth means it means the friction force that acting at that point is going to be 0. So if that is going to be 0, the mu A is equal to 0. That is the frictional force, the coefficient of friction between the point A of the ladder and then the wall is going to be 0. And then, so it is being kept over a rough horizontal surface, that is the floor. At this point, it is going to slipping is going to occur. The frictional force will tends to act in the opposite direction to of the Fb, which is equal to mu b times of Na Nb, and there will be a normal force which will be acting at this point, and then they are given the mu b is equal to 0.25 meter, and then they are said, so how far a person can climb so over this ladder before the slipping will tends to occur. So before that we will place the weight of self weight of the ladder, so which is acting at half of the length of the ladder, that is 3 meter. So let me take this point to be as B, and it's going to be weight is going to be, we said weight is going to be 400 Newton. And then there are said a man possessing a mass of 80 kg. So 80 I have converted in terms of Newton, which is going to be 784.8 Newton. They are saying how far this man who is weighing about 784.8 Newton can climb over the ladder before the slipping is going to occur. So we don't know the distance. We are just going to place at a assumed distance of x. So let this point to be as C. At point C, a man of weight 748.8 is been there. Okay. So taking the summation of the horizontal force is equal to 0, that is summation of f of x is equal to 0, we tends to get value to be as Na is equal to Fb. So which is going to be mu b times of Nb. So we don't know the value of, so let this is going to be as equation number 1. And then taking summation of Fy is equal to 0. So we are having the value of, so Fa is equal to 0. So Fa, so it will be equal to 0, and then we are having another vertical force of Nb. So this is going to be 0, which is equal to 748.8 plus 400, which is going to be 1148.8 Newton. That is value of Nb is going to be this. So substituting the value of Nb, that is 2 in equation number 1, will tends to get Na is equal to mu b is 0.25. So 0.25 into Nb, the value of Nb is 1148.8, which is going to be Nb, we are going to get to be as 296.2 Newton. And taking summation, the moment about point B, that is moment about point B, clockwise moment, which is equal to the anticlockwise moment about the point B. So the clockwise moment will be possessed by Na, and this is going to be, so let me keep this point to be as O. So when I am going to take sine 70 degree is equal to OA divided by 6. So OA is equal to 6 sine 70. So this value is going to be 6 sine 70, and then and so this is going to be NA, and we are not having FB, so we need not to worry about that. And then so we'll be having NA into 6 sine 70. So this will be the clockwise forces which will produce anti-clockwise moment with respect to point B. So our so the force, that is the weight of the man, that will tends to produce a anti-clockwise moment about point B. So we are going to take, so we don't know the value of here, so we don't know the value of here, so I'm going to place over C dash, so which will be equal to cos of 70 degree is equal to BC dash divided by x. So BC dash is equal to x cos 70 degree. So we will be having 748.8 into x cos 70 degree, plus we are having another weight of 400 which will produce us a anti-clockwise moment about point B. So we don't know this value, so I'm going to take the B as let this point go to be as D. So this will be cos 70 degree is equal to BD divided by, so this is 3, so it will be BD is equal to 3 cos 70 degree, so it should be equal to 400 into 3 cos 70 degree. So that would be the perpendicular distance caused for this force. So substituting the value, so we know the value of NA to be as 296.2 Newton. So it tends to get the value of x to be equal to 4.69 meter from point B.